So I don't know if you were like me or not, but I was absolutely in love with the Caron Halo Ogos when they came out, and I've been watching them slowly dwindle in price on clearance ever since. And if you look at the Joann's website, they're not even on there anymore. A lot of people didn't like them because they were in the Ogo format, but it turns out Joann is now selling them in cakes. It's no secret that I love these Caron Halos, and I'll go ahead and link above and below both of these videos I did where I used them. Head on over to Joann via the app and take a look. So here are the colors that they have, and you might have to help me out a little bit. If you know, please write it in the comments. I know some of these were original from the Ogo form, but I'm not sure about all of them. I know my friend Leah Crochets made a beautiful one out of the Honey Frost. And I also know that my friend Kristen Crochets did a really pretty cardigan out of the Nutmeg Frost. I have used the Rosemary Frost in a scarf. It was that video earlier. And I have purchased the Harbor Frost. But otherwise, I'm not sure about some of the other ones. So let me know if they are the old ones. So the really new and fun thing about these Halo cakes is that you see they're more like a latte cake in that they have some of them, half of them out of the 19 seem to be striped. So they've got some really fun and pretty colors. I am curious about seeing these in person and being able to compare them with the, I would say solid, but they're like that gradient ombre color to see which ones coordinate. I'm a little bummed out because it appears that Cranberry Frost is no longer available. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the specs of this yarn. So according to the Joann's app, Caron Colorama Halo is a soft, luxurious textured yarn with a beautiful soft ombre shade range, and I would 100% agree with that. They also say consumers will love stitching up cozy shawls, sweaters, and accessories, and you'll do this worry-free to disguise any stitching mistakes. I think it's worded a little bit weird there in their description, but that's all right. This is an acrylic nylon polyester blend, and it is a bulky number 5. It's 8 ounces, and you can see that there are over 440 meters, and they do recommend that you use a 6mm crochet hook with this yarn. So I think this yarn is great for beginners, and the reason I'll tell you is because it is a very soft yarn. It is very easy to work with. I will, like I said, link a video to that scarf I did, and it was just such a joy, and I go into a lot of the details why I enjoyed it so much. But it is a 5 weight, but honestly, it works out more of a 4 weight. So it's a very nice, easy weight yarn to work with, and it's very soft on your hands as well, which is an added bonus. And there is enough in here where you will definitely be able to make a scarf or like a, definitely a stocking cap, maybe 2 depending on the size, so you can get a good project out of one of them. And it is a machine wash and I believe lay flat to dry, so you can do a wearable with that as well. So I think you will really enjoy this. I think it'll be easy to work with, and since it's a 6mm crochet hook that they recommend, you know, you're going to get through your project just a tiny little bit faster, which is even better. So great for beginners and also great for experienced crocheters. So let me know what you think. Are you excited about the halos in cake form? I saw so many videos when they came out where people hated them because of the Ogo, but then put them in cakes themselves. So this might be one of those examples of a company actually listening to its consumers, which would be fantastic. Let me know down in the comments, what are your thoughts? Do you love the Halo? Do you hate them? Please let me know. As always, thanks for talking yarn with me.